Just getting back from the house a bit. Just wanted to jump in and go and check out some appliances for the house. Anyway, I'm at Yodobashi Camera. It's right in the center of Osaka. Left the beast and just gonna go and check out what we can check out. This is going into Link Sumeda. It's probably one of the smoothest places in here. Lots of good stuff in here. This is actually one of the coolest places. I love shopping here. Harvest. Good stuff in here. I do enjoy cooking, so this place has a little bit of everything in it. But I'm trying to go and check out the electronics, so let me get out of here. And I think I will take the elevator. You gotta walk through Uniqlo to get into Yodobashi, so let's go ahead and do that. Since I'm showing you what it's like, yeah, this is just simple Uniqlo in Japan. I guess this is where it started. This place is just full of everything. So you can see in Japan, everyone's still masked up. This is definitely my favorite because it's got TVs and audio. This is also one of my favorites because it's got the camera and video. But we're heading to the 4th floor and the 5th floor to check out the house stuff I'm looking for. That's actually one of my old students from Nara. I think this is my favorite floor. TVs. Let's check this out. Oh my goodness. 88 inch, 85 inch, 3 million yen. $2 million yen. That's $20,000 and $30,000 for TV. It looks good, but goodness gracious, this, I would love to get this. Now it's about $398,000. You can see that. This is what I really want. This is what I want for the living room now. And this is just awesome. Audio everywhere. This is nuts. Now it's not quite 30,000, but look at that beautiful thing. Goodness gracious. That is just beautiful. Look at how thin this is. Goodness gracious. I think I found the right refrigerator and washer, dryer. Not cheap, but you get what you pay for. Yeah, let me go on up to the camp area. But interestingly, the camp area or the barbecue pit is over here on the game floor. And there's a really cool, there he is, Darth Vader. This place is just like otaku heaven. And you probably already saw it a little bit. This is like, I don't know what this is, Vacu? Nanoblocks, okay. Yeah, it's a pretty big dude. Oh wow, I didn't notice that. Oh wow, I want one of these. It's very, very, very cool. Again, I can't wait to get back into my hobby so I can start getting back into this. This is just very cool. Wow. You can just see how big this is. That's just, I think it's Osaka Castle. I'll lose so much time if I hang out here. Goodness gracious. getting back into this guy. Yeah. Check this out. You know. Get your barbecue on. It seems like yeah, it seems like most of the good stuff they only have gas. Oh my goodness, that's Jack Daniels. These are all really cool grills. This one's really cool. It's got 4. You can see here, it's got 4 different flames. So I like this 4 different flame areas. Little stand on the side, really nice. That's about, what is that, 200. So awesome. 4 flame areas. So boom, 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 boom. And it's got this little side cooking area over here, which don't really need, but I just love, I mean, come on. You know, oh, I'm gonna tear it. I just love that. It's heavy. It's got a good weight, so it's feel like I'm actually doing something. But you see that price up there? That's $3,000. That's $3,000 for a grill. Yeah. The other thing about these is they all use these little LP gas tanks. Let's see if we can get that tank. And they all sit over, which is not bad, but I really didn't think I wanted to have gas sitting on my balcony, but this might be the best buy, you know. I don't know if anyone's got one of these, let me know. This might be the best buy because I'm still trying to get the projector, and this might save me a little bit. Yeah, I think yeah, I think this bad boy might be the one. That's a doggone. I gotta show you this. This is crazy. This is a tent. Now this looks better than some brothers' houses I know. I mean, for real though. A sitting area. And you got your bed. This is a double, semi-double. Oh my goodness, if you are into Gundam. Frames for armor core. Oh my goodness. I'm such a nerd. I mean, now I'm not into the colorful ones, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is just, you know, I mean, I just love this because it's so realistic. And I'm not into the anime style, but it is so cool. Just cool. I mean, you can't. It's just so cool. Oh my goodness. Hey, you know what? Oh my goodness. This is just, you know, now you would think I haven't been here before because I'm in here at least once a week for multiple things, you know, between here and Amazon. Oh my goodness, this is pretty cool. I haven't seen these. I don't know this series. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know this series. Oh, Kotobukiya. This company, Kotobukiya, they make the coolest stuff. I mean, it's just so detailed. And it's similar to Gundam by being mecha, but it's not Gundam. I mean, this frames, and it's not Gundam. But they make their stuff just has, and now this is Gundam. You know. But It's different. I mean, man, look at this. I mean, look at that detail. This, I mean, now when you get it painted and you get it really painted and finished, I mean, you can go as far as you want. I mean, again, it's just like what I do on a computer, you know. If you go in to get, you know, graphics design, I mean, you could spend days on one photo making one picture look great. But, and still go back and get more done if you wanted to go back and finish. But I mean, that's just like this. Oh my goodness, and here are my drones. And these are the baby drones. I say baby, not being insulting, but it's not DJI. And I don't know. I mean, I'm using a DJI, and I'm sorry. It's just when you turn it on, it works. And this stuff is wow. I cannot wait to get into the house and get back into this part of my hobby. I mean, come on. You know. Now, you know they're nothing like the real RC cars, but come on. You know, putting that on the desk is just nuts. It even says unmarked police car. Oh my, Lexus RC Lexus. I mean, you gotta really like your car. Not, if I had one, I'd probably get that. Let me get out of here, man. Oh, and for all the guys who love the ladies and stuff, they've got these 3D scans. I don't know what this is. Oh wow, a 3D scan of this woman's body. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's 3,000 yen. So somebody bought it. Somebody. And I mean, who scanned her? That's what I want to know. Anyway, oh wow, yeah, this is just too much, man. I you know, this is what I want to get. One of these and just paint it up to look awesome. You know, I mean, like battle scarred, and just, you know, like he just came back from the battle. Just, man, let me get out of here. I've been saying it. Is that a Lotus? Oh my goodness, see? This is, you know, this is a Lotus. Elise? Yeah, Elise. Now, I was ready to go, and I saw this up there, and of course now I'm interested. It's a little sensor. But if they have a Lotus Evora, I'm buying it right now. Which I have yet to see a Lotus Evora model kit. You know, I've seen finished cars, you know, like scale models, but not a model kit. Now I'm looking for a darn Evora, which is ridiculous. I don't think they'd have one, but here's all the cars. Oh my goodness. Man. Easy one. Now you can get one of these in the States now and enjoy it because those cars are old. I think they hit that 25-year mark, so you could actually get one and enjoy it. But so again, these are all of the different characters for your dioramas, you know. All Apex. They got everything here. This is just ridiculous. Now let me get back into the Evora. Yeah, I didn't think I'd find one. But you had to look, right? Hey, if anyone sees an Evora in this video and okay. So we do have Lotus. That's close. It's close. Woo. So you're looking at this, and I'm kind of glancing through it, and I'll check it. But if you happen to see an Evora that I missed, let me know. Let me know. Yeah, this is just. I mean, if you come on. These are. Now this is Aoshima. So they, again, look at all the rims. I mean, like real car rims. Inkei work. Racing Hearts, the new advanced. Oh, yeah. I mean, okay. So they got a little bit of everything. If you see something, LB, you know, it's just too much fun, man. I mean, I'm so excited about getting this crib so that I can start building things. And yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, it's gonna be fun, you know. It's like being a kid again, you know. I mean, it's crazy. And let me go and get. So let me do my little shopping. I do have some things I have to buy today. Some electronic stuff, but accessory cables. But hey, back at you in a minute.